Are you looking for the best lawn edger in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best lawn edger that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the BLACK+DECKER Le 760 FM Lawn Edger. While the BLACK+DECKER Le 760 FM features as a runner-up in our guide, there is absolutely no doubting its efficacy as a strong option. Coming from accessory and hardware producer BLACK+DECKER, this product is the best bet for you if you're looking to completely redefine your lawn. With a 12-amp motor, it will take care of any overgrowth and easily provide a definition of your lawn's shape. Also, just as it is with our top pick, control and comfort are assured thanks to the inclusion of 3 wheels, 2 at the rear end and 1 in the front. There's also a 3-position blade depth adjustment, which provides easy control over the corners and edges that you work on. Up next in the 4th place is the Greenworks 12-amp corded edger 27032. The Greenworks 12-amp corded edger 27032 is exactly what you're looking for when it comes to both good looks and long-lasting efficiency. From the storehouse of a trusted brand, Greenworks has released this into their entire product line, which is well known to be environmentally friendly. Likewise, the Greenworks 12-amp corded edger 27032 never releases an ounce of carbon emission into the air. That's right, a zero carbon footprint. In addition, there is an auxiliary handle for added user comfort, as well as an integrated cord lock feature that prevents accidental disconnections. With the zero carbon footprint, there is no longer any need to stop in the middle of your mowing to top up on gas, which can be quite frustrating. The most difficult of tasks can now be carried out with ease. The 3rd product on our list is the Poulan PP1000E 7-inch Pro Lawn Edger Attachment. Poulan is a major manufacturer whose products have received widespread acclaim for their dependability. With the PP100E, you get a combo of a heavy-duty gearbox and a 7-inch hardened steel blade to provide effective trimming and edging services whenever you need. With an adjustable length of 2 inches, the PP100E is easy to install, and it also provides optimum compatibility with other reputable units, including John Deere, Homelight, Craftsman, and Snapper multi-tool attachment systems. Second on our list is the Worx WG89612A 2-in-1 electric lawn edger. Worx has built a reputation for being a leading manufacturer of all things garden and lawn related. With the WG896, the company does a remarkable job once again. With a voltage rating of 120 V 60 Hz, this top-rated lawn edger is strong enough to take care of wider lawns. You'll enjoy the robust feel of this lawn edge trimmer as well. Another thing that particularly strikes the eye with this baby is that it doesn't sacrifice comfort for functionality. While a 3-position blade and cutting line indicator will create professional cuts, you also get a pivoting handle and shaft that provide easy control while working. Finally, the top product on our list is the Greenworks 12-inch 24V cordless string trimmer edger. The Greenworks 12-inch 24V cordless string trimmer edger is a product of high value, quality, and performance that has been built to last. In addition to being very reliable, it gets the job done quickly, freeing you up for other tasks that may be equally demanding your time and attention at home. To cut through weeds quite effortlessly, the string trimmer edger has a 12-inch cutting path and a 3-position pivoting head for easy trimming in those hard-to-reach areas. It also comes with the added merit of making less noise than the average lawn edger on the market. All this with no cords to be lugging and pulling around. No doubt, this is a very convenient product that goes up a notch when it comes to versatility, offering a good choice of outdoor and indoor tools, with a tool for every project. It is gradually becoming the most versatile system for the suburban home. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.